Forcadell, the leading real estate consulting and management firm. Salvador Forcadell and Carme Company set up this business in the historic center of Barcelona in 1958, managing and commercializing properties built for their own company and other contractors. Distinguished for its respectability, ethics and accuracy, this family-run group grows generation after generation, shaping all its services according with the market dynamics and demands, until nowadays holding a position of prominence due to its accomplishments and its regular market reports. Forcadell has a wide variety of services displayed, such as housing commercialization, sales and renting services, corporate real estate, industrial and logistics, offices, retail property, portfolio investment, and large-scale real estate asset management, real estate management, community management, and rental management, real estate consulting, audits, assets, and market reports, legal counsel to stay up to date with rights and obligations in the real estate sector, insurance brokerage to completely put your mind at rest, and real estate technical office with a crew of accomplished architects specialized in rehabilitations, building, implementation, refurbishing, and maintenance. A range of services which guarantees an integral property management service that is professional and trustworthy. Forcadell, the leading real estate consulting and management firm.